Hi Swifties, so what we want to do is I want to show you how to roll out your hips, because a lot of us tend to be sitting nowadays either in our cars or at our desks doing computer work, and this position is not a very functional position that we live in with our hips. But then when we come up to move, we need all our lines that are through the front of our legs, our hip flexors, our front line, through here our lateral lines, through the side, and then into our back, our posterior back lines and our functional lines. We need them all to be able to move and not be jammed up in that sitting position. So I'm going to show you two moves that I want that are great to get out of that sitting position. So the first one is coming down, and I'll just turn my mat a little bit sideways so you can see me. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and we're going to pop the roller around about, if you had a pair of jeans, into where you would have a pocket. So you're going to come down on that point. Now it's very important to look after your core and your back. So we want to make sure you're not slouching into that position. So make sure you support it. And you're just going to go up and down 4 times, side to side 4 times, and then up and down twice. And then you can repeat that and do that on the other side. After that, the movement you want to come into is taking a foot forward and then driving through, so then mobilizing into that hip flexor. And then obviously you would repeat it on the other side. Now if you don't want to lean on your knees, you can then do it from a standing position. Our second one I want to show you today is going into our SI joint, taking the ball, and you just want to come into your sacrum area, just to the side. You can do it on the wall, or what we're going to do is then do it on the floor. So lying down, popping it under that area. Be very mindful, you don't want to be doing anything that causes too much pain, and finding all your little spots in there. Please remember, don't be in your back. We don't want to be on your back, we want to be down around your pelvis. After you've done that, you can come up here, pop one knee slightly further forward than the other, relax through your head on your back, and then rock backwards and forwards. After that, obviously make sure you repeat the other side. Come up, go for a walk around, and you'll find you have a really good release out of that sitting position and feel a lot more comfortable through your hips. Thanks guys.